Taking flight, the importance of airplane manufacturing. Imagine a world without airplanes. No soaring through the clouds, no quick trips across countries or continents. Airplane manufacturing makes all of that possible. It's a complex process full of incredible engineering and craftsmanship. We rely on airplanes for travel, trade, and connecting with people around the world. But have you ever wondered how these giants of the sky are made? Let's find out. The journey from an idea on paper to a soaring aircraft is an amazing feat of human ingenuity. It requires the collaboration of thousands of skilled workers. It also involves cutting-edge technology and meticulous attention to detail. The process is a blend of art and science where innovation takes flight. Every step, from the initial design to the final inspection, is crucial in creating a safe and efficient aircraft. In this exploration, we'll take a fascinating journey behind the scenes. We will uncover the secrets of how airplanes are made. Fasten your seatbelts. It's going to be a fascinating ride. Drawing the blueprint, design and engineering. Before a single piece of metal is cut, the airplane exists as a digital blueprint. This is where the magic begins. Engineers and designers work hand in hand. They carefully craft the aircraft's shape. This impacts its aerodynamics, fuel efficiency, and how many passengers it can carry. The first step is the conceptual design. This is like a rough sketch. It outlines the plane's basic shape and features. Think of it as the first draft before the masterpiece is painted. Next, engineers create prototypes and test them in wind tunnels. These scaled-down models help visualize how the plane will interact with the air. Engineers can then fine-tune the design. They improve its aerodynamics, stability, and fuel efficiency. Selecting the right materials is crucial. Engineers choose lightweight but strong materials like aluminum alloys, titanium, and composites. These materials ensure the aircraft can withstand the stresses of flight. They also keep it lightweight for better fuel efficiency. Building blocks, parts. Manufacturing and supply chain. An airplane is like a giant jigsaw puzzle. It is made up of millions of individual parts. These parts come from all over the world. They are then brought together for assembly. Each part is manufactured to meet exacting specifications. Precision is key here. Specialized factories use advanced machinery like CNC milling machines, lathes, and robotic arms to manufacture these components. This ensures accuracy and efficiency. Think of it like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients and precise measurements. It's the same with airplanes. Advanced materials like carbon fiber composites are increasingly common in modern aircraft. These materials are lighter and stronger than traditional metals. They improve fuel efficiency and performance. Quality control is paramount at every stage of parts manufacturing. Before leaving the factory, each part undergoes rigorous inspections. This ensures it meets the required standards. Only then can the pieces of the puzzle fit together perfectly. From pieces to plane, the assembly line. The assembly line is where the airplane starts to take shape. It's a carefully choreographed dance of people and machines. Large sections of the aircraft are assembled separately. These include the fuselage, wings and tail. The fuselage is usually assembled in sections. These are then joined together using specialized jigs and fixtures. Think of it like building a ship in a bottle, except on a much larger scale. Wings are assembled in a similar way. They are then attached to the fuselage. The tail section, including the vertical stabilizer and horizontal stabilizer, is added next. This entire process demands incredible precision and teamwork. Once the major structural components are in place, the engines are installed. These are carefully mounted to the wings using massive bolts. Then comes the installation of the electrical systems, avionics, and all the other complex components. It's like connecting the veins and arteries of the aircraft. Ready for takeoff, interior, and final assembly. With the structure complete, it's time to transform the aircraft's interior. This is where things start to feel real. The cabin is fitted out with seats, overhead bins, galleys, and lavatories. It's like furnishing a giant flying house. In the cockpit, the pilot's workspace is outfitted with a dizzying array of instruments, controls, and displays. This is the nerve center of the aircraft where technology meets human skill. The final exterior touches involve painting the aircraft. This isn't just about aesthetics. The paint scheme helps protect the aircraft from corrosion. It also adds a touch of personality. By this stage, the aircraft is nearly complete. It's hard to believe it all started as a concept on paper. It's a testament to the hard work and skill of countless individuals. Putting it to the test, quality assurance and testing. Before an airplane can carry passengers, it undergoes a battery of tests. These tests ensure its safety and airworthiness. Think of it like a driver's test, but much more rigorous. Ground testing includes everything from testing the engines to checking the hydraulic systems. It also includes evaluating the landing gear. These tests ensure that every component is functioning perfectly. Pressure testing involves sealing the aircraft and subjecting it to changes in air pressure. This simulates the conditions it will experience at high altitudes. It's like giving the aircraft a checkup in a giant pressure cooker. Finally, the moment of truth arrives. Flight testing. Experienced test pilots take the aircraft through its paces. They evaluate its handling, performance, and systems. This is where the aircraft truly comes alive. Meeting the standards, certification, and regulatory approval. Once an aircraft passes all its tests, it needs to be certified. Regulatory agencies like the Federal Aviation Administration in the United States and the European Union Aviation Safety Agency in Europe have strict safety requirements. These agencies review the aircraft's design, manufacturing process, and test results. They issue an airworthiness certificate if everything meets their stringent standards. It's like getting a seal of approval from the authorities. This certification is essential. It assures airlines and passengers that the aircraft is safe to fly. It's a testament to the rigorous standards and dedication to safety in the aviation industry. Handing over the keys, delivery to airlines. After receiving its certification, the aircraft is ready to be delivered to the airline. This is a momentous occasion. It marks the culmination of years of work and collaboration. Before delivery, the airline can customize the aircraft's interior. They can add their branding, choose their preferred seating configuration, and install their entertainment systems. It's like putting the finishing touches on a new home. The handover ceremony is a symbolic event. Airline executives and employees gather to celebrate the arrival of their new aircraft. It's a time for speeches, handshakes, and maybe even a celebratory toast. Keeping them flying post-delivery support. Even after an airplane takes to the skies, the manufacturing process isn't truly over. Airlines rely on the manufacturer for ongoing support. This includes maintenance, spare parts, and upgrades. Regular maintenance is crucial for keeping aircraft safe and operating at peak performance. Manufacturers provide airlines with detailed maintenance manuals and training programs. They also offer technical support to address any issues. Manufacturers maintain a steady supply of spare parts. This ensures that airlines can quickly repair any issues and minimize downtime. They also develop upgrades to improve the aircraft's performance, fuel efficiency, and safety features. It's like providing ongoing care for a high-performance machine. From dream to reality, the journey of an airplane. The journey of an airplane from a spark of an idea to a soaring reality is an incredible feat of human ingenuity, collaboration, and precision. It's a testament to our ability to push the boundaries of what's possible. The next time you board an airplane, take a moment to appreciate the intricate process that made your journey possible. Behind the scenes, countless individuals dedicate their skills and passion to ensure that we can continue to explore the world, connect with loved ones, and marvel at the wonder of flight. It's a journey that inspires awe and wonder, reminding us that even the sky is not the limit when it comes to human achievement.